guys, it's me, Vihan.
It's me, Ria.
So right now, I just want to tell you something. We are going to slide down here like this.
But it's kind of dangerous.
It's kind of dangerous, but we've gotten really used to it. It's
Yes.
okay. Let's go, guys.
But
So
guess
you guys
what?
can watch me. I did it without my hands and with my legs. Now Ria's turn with her legs and without her. Now this time it's with your hands and without your legs. Go. Now
And
with your hands and with legs.
guys, can I tell you something? I got really hurt, so
That's a bruise.
yeah. I got hurt yesterday when I went sliding.
Yep. Okay.
It's kind of bad.
Okay, Ria, let's play. I mean, yeah. Now it's Ria's turn with hands, with legs.
And I went without hands and without legs.
Then, yes. Now without hands and without legs. This one is a dangerous.
Should I flow like this, guys?
Sure.
See, that's really dangerous.
You know what?
But we got used to it.
All right, guys. That's it for now. Bye.
Bye-bye.